Got a big one?
Hot. I was like, oh. Wow.
Wow.
What are you laughing about?
Ooh. I was jigging it a little bit too, like wiggling it, whatever you want to call it. Sicko.
You stop that.
You stop that right now.
It's not allowed.
There's a limb out there, I think.
Jeez. Jeez whiz, look at that guy.
He'll go 9, I think. I hope.
My hand's 8 exactly from here to the back of my palm, so.
You little punk. I hate to get my coat all nasty.
Man, he's got a little chunk on his back there. Not exactly.
There it came. Yeah. Lid to the cooler would be nice. Hey.
Hey.
Easy. Yeah, just drop it down in there and jig it. Put you on a chicken foot. Oh yeah, let's do that. I got some of those too.
I just had to after those red thing on.
Here, I'll lay this one in there. You don't have to get yours. I can't believe we lost the lid to the cooler. What an idiot.
It's all your fault.
I know. I was putting hinges on it last night and I was like, I couldn't find the right ones. Couldn't find any big enough.
The crayfish. Shoot it.
Shoot it, Lisbeth! You can hear me echo.
I like how it just says ball bearing on this one.
That's how you know it's good.
It doesn't even say anything about how many there are.
Ball bearing.
Ball bearing.
You just put random words on there.
Fancy reel then. Fire bearing.
Steel.
There's a loon.
You're a loon.
I might put on one of these little light guys here too. A pink head. Just for shits and gigs, you know.
Pink head, huh?
Or fist commitch.
Call him, man. That's what I think about your pink head. It's like a baby seagull.
Kind of like a pterodactyl. A horny pterodactyl.
Oh crap, here it comes. I can smell him. Root wad.
Right there in the root wad.
Gotta get down there to get to these root wads. That's what she said. There's a tree. 28 feet deep.
These are some monster trees, I bet.
Yeah. I'm gonna be sad when they deteriorate. You're gonna lose a 3-pound crappie on that crappie knot. Crappie knot.
Easy comedian. Man, that thing sinks fast.
We got a heavy head.
Yes. Quite heavy. I don't think there's any crappie in here.
I wish one would bite right now. I'd be like, what about this one?
Oh, look at that sucker. That's the biggest one in the lake.
Probably true of the tree. If we swing around that way, it'll probably pull off that direction.
I'm not pulling anything off.
Heads up.
Oh, it sucks.
Just bust a goose.
So it's like the bust a move song.
Yeah. Glad you caught on to that.
Shut up.
I love watching the line like it's falling, and it stops. Like when it tangles on the end of your pole. Something like that.
Serious. That was a good one. That is a dandy.
Easy.
Well, you're not second guessing that one.
Mm-mm.
That's a 9. Why might be a 10? Clayton, quit catching them all. You're making me look bad. I know what it is. I don't have these glasses on.
Oh, that's probably what it is.
No, I'm good now, Clayton. You don't have to coach me.
Okay.
I remember my first crappie.
Was it crappie?
Yes. I actually don't remember my first crappie because that would be ridiculous.
Got this new anchor system.
It's fancy.
Yeah.
I want to catch one of those big old slabs.
Me too.
You just did.
No, I didn't. That ain't a slab.
Alright.
Alright, let it go to the bottom. Reel it up. And jig it.
Now when you say jig,
I mean, just move the end of your pole. Just wiggle it. Like a wiggle wart.
give it like the stanky pole.
Yeah, like, this is what we call a stanky pole.
I like it. I think I naturally do.
Are you on the bottom, or you got a fish?
I think I'm on the bottom.
Because we're catching all this fish, we're having such a great time.
There you go.
Thank you.
Our line's tangled a little bit.
That's good. I'm trying to catch this fish.
You ain't gonna get it. I'm not gonna take your advice. I'm fishing between the two.
Okay.
See what happens when I don't take your advice?
Yep.
See, I was just fishing there, the same way.
Oh. Was you? I don't think he'll make.
I think it's those crow's feet.
I think a lot of my problem, probably your problem too, when coming to crappie fishing, we always think we gotta be moving the line and moving the jig instead of just slow. See how you're reeling in so much? Don't do that. Just leave it in the water. you been? Haven't seen you in a while. You never called.